All set. Gates open. They're up and racing. It's a pretty nice even beginning too. Running on the outside, Graceful Conqueror. In between runners is Dancing Slew. Hakuna Matata moving up by the rail. As they leave the straight, Hakuna Matata in command. Running on the outside is Reporter. Heading towards the 3/4 mile pole. Hakuna Matata in command. The Reporter is on the outside. Down in third is Dancing Slew. Heading towards the last 900. Hakuna Matata leading the field. The Reporter. Dancing Slew. Then comes Graceful Conqueror. Down in fifth, moving up is entry number 6. And that's Hoy. Sobra na. Past the last 900, Hakuna Matata leading the field by about a length and a half. Running in second on the outside, he's Reporter, Dancing Slew. Graceful Conqueror moving up to take third. Followed na by entry number 6, Hoy. Sobra na, beat the hit. Past the last 600, two runners. Now parting it out for the lead. Hakuna Matata, Reporter throwing a challenge on the outside and now catching the lead. Reporter takes the lead. Hakuna Matata is by the rail as they turn for home. Two runners still matching their strides together. Reporter on the outside. Hakuna Matata is running by the rail. Then comes Graceful Conqueror. Beat the hit. Hoy, Sobra na is on the outside. With the last 150 more to run, Reporter this time by about 2 lengths. Hakuna Matata remains in second. Graceful Conqueror beat the hit. Hoy, Sobra na and Modern Classic. And finally, Reporter. Close for second between Graceful Conqueror. Then comes Hakuna Matata, Modern Classic. Number 1, beat the hit. Hoy, Sobra na and number 5, Dancing Slew.